If you think losing weight without trying is always a good thing, think again. For seniors, it can signal something serious. Here's what you need to know. Losing more than 10 pounds in a month without trying isn't just a number on the scale. It could be your body's way of telling you something's wrong. In seniors, sudden weight loss is sometimes one of the first signs of cancers like stomach, lung, or pancreatic. It's especially concerning if it comes with other symptoms like tiredness or loss of appetite. If you or a loved one notices these changes, don't wait. Schedule a checkup right away. Remember, catching problems early makes treatments more effective. Don't ignore unexplained weight loss. Early detection can save lives.